Hey guys, Joe from Extreme Terrain, and today we're going to be working with the ZRoadz 2 3-inch LED light cube hood hinge mounting brackets, fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. Simply put, this set is going to be perfect for any Tacoma owner out there who's looking to get some auxiliary lighting at the bottom of their A-pillar without any modifications to their truck. These are made out of a laser cut steel. They also have a black powder coating, which is there to serve as a layer of protection from the elements. It also matches the black accents on our 16 Tacoma here perfectly. Now, as you'll see in just a minute here when we show you how to get this thing installed on your Tacoma, one of the biggest selling points is there's no modification required to get this on your truck. No drilling, no cutting, nothing like that. We're just gonna loosen up the bolts on the hood hinge. The bracket is slotted, we're gonna slide it in between and then tighten it back down. Now, ZRoadz does give you a little bit of extra hardware here, and that is to actually secure a cube light to the bracket itself. Now, if you like the way these look, ZRoadz offers a bunch of different options to really tie together the whole look of your Tacoma. There's lighting brackets for the upper grille, lower grille, roof, and rear bumper. Pricing for the pair of these is going to come in right around that $135 mark. Now, that is going to be a lot for pod light mounting brackets, but their build quality, you get that laser cut steel and a black powder coat finish. Also included in that price is going to be a limited lifetime warranty from ZRoadz. Install for these is going to be extremely easy. Gets an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. No modification, like I said. You should be able to get this done in about 15-30 minutes with just some basic hand tools. So without any further ado, let me show you how it's done. Tools required for this install are going to be a ratchet, 12mm socket, and a microfiber rag. So like I said, this install is going to be extremely easy. All we're going to be doing is taking a 12mm socket, loosening up these 2 bolts right here, and sliding our bracket underneath as this is just slotted, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now, before I show you how that's done, I'm actually gonna grab a microfiber rag here and put this underneath the corner of the hood, just because I expect it to shift. I don't want that corner to damage anything. Then we can take our 12mm socket and get to work. Now we have our bracket in place, we're just going to tighten those back down. And that's going to be it. All we're going to do now is remove our microfiber and do the same thing for the other side. Now, the only thing that I could think of to give as a tip while we're doing this, you want to make sure the bracket is under the bolt head, not in between the hood and the hinge itself. Otherwise, obviously, you're going to space up your hood. Now, the only thing that's left for us to do is slowly close the hood, make sure it's still in alignment, and that's going to be it. All right, guys, and that is gonna do it for my review and install of the ZRoadz 2 3-inch LED light cube hood hinge mounting brackets, fitting all 16 and newer Tacomas. Thank you for watching. I'm Joe. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and all things Tacoma.